Hello friends, welcome to PT Guru listening section. In this video I will walk you through the tips for the listening section and how you can secure 65 or maybe more than 79 if you follow all the tips. The first thing is PT Academic listening section is for 45 to 55 minutes depending on the given questions in the exam. Here you will be tested on your listening skills mainly, as well as having some knowledge for the speaking and the listening questions. The you will also be given some weightage on the speaking questions from this module. For each question, you have the opportunity to adjust the volume of the speaker while the audio clip is playing. You are free to move the control bar to the right to increase the volume of the speaker, or you to the left to decrease the volume. The item types in this listening section are below. We can walk you through with one by one. The first type of question is summarize spoken text. In this type of question, a video clip or the audio clip will be played on the computer screen and you have to summarize in your own words. You have to write. This is almost same as the retail lecture in speaking section. The only difference in both is in the speaking you have to speak in your own words the lecture which has been played on the computer screen, but in the listening section you have to listen the audio and you have to write in the computer passage computer area on the computer screen. So there are some tips for this. Make a note while you are listening the audio. Vomit the vowels a and the, and just practice about this, which will help you to save a lot of time in the exam conditions. While writing the summarized spoken text, you can follow some template. For example, one of the template is the speaker says main topic of the lecture. The speaker mentions, you have to mention some pros, cons, advantages or the key points which has been described in the lecture by the speaker. The key thing, you have to manage your time. This question is for 10 minutes. You will be given 10 minutes to write your answer. You should plan like this: 3 minutes for the planning. Do not start typing the moment the audio stops. Give a pause to yourself. Think about the lecture, the topic, the key points, and plan how you are going to write on the computer screen. 3 minutes spent for planning, 5 for writing. Here you can use vocabulary which give you better marks. Do not repeat the same word again and again. 2 minutes for spelling and checking for review your answer. Next question in this section is multiple choice, multiple answers. This section of the listening module has negative marking. The key point over here is quickly scan the given options. In the you will be given 5 seconds or 7 seconds. In these 7 seconds, just quickly go through the options which has been displayed on the computer screen. This will give you an idea about the context of the recording which is coming up. Also, most of the time answers rate of speech are fast, so be careful and listen with full attention. Answers are mostly paraphrased. Most of the answers you can find at the end of the listening, so listen until it finishes with full attention. Pay close attention to the frequency of words: always, often, sometimes, all, never, etc. Effectively heard word may not be correct word because it may be frequency word as above point. What does it mean? It means when you are hearing any word which is repeated most of the time, and in the answer options that is not the right answer. So just first you go through the question, what the what the exam is asking for. Is it asking for the false information or true information? So based on that, you have to pick your options. If you are not sure about both options, go with one option and move to next question. If you choose one correct, one incorrect, that means you will be given 0 marks. So be careful about this. This section has negative marking. Next question is multiple choice, single answer. Most of the time answer rate of speech are fast, so be careful and listen. It has the same strategy as we follow for the multiple choice, multiple answers. Scan the given options. This will give you an idea about the context of the recording which is coming up. Answers are mostly paraphrased. If you are lacking of time, pick the best option which you can. Do not leave this answer unattempted. You should attempt this multiple choice single answer. Fill in the blanks. This is the next type of question in the listening section. Note the answers in erasable notepad given by the PT and later fill the answers. Or if you are comfortable in your computer typing, you can type the answers on the screen if your typing speed is good. Do not worry about the spelling while typing. Check the spellings plurals later. Once the recording stops, you can go back and check the spellings. Answers may be high rate of speech, and sometimes you have to also pay focus to the attention. Your recording is going, eyes are going on the computer screen line by line. Do not miss any word which you are listening in your ear.